Morning to all. Today we are going to see about the revision. Students, நம்ம இவ்வளோ நாளாக என்ன பண்ணணும்? லெசன் பார்த்தோம், போயம் பார்த்தோம், சப்ளிமெண்ட் லீடர் பார்த்தோம். இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ரிவிஷனில் யூனிட் 1ல் போயம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். பியாண்ட் த யூனிவர்ஸ் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சரை பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், where is the poet flying to in the dream? The poet flies beyond the earth in his dream. Which planet has ring around it? Saturn has rings around it. Which planet has red storm? Jupiter has red storm. Why does the poet fly out of the universe? The poet flies out of the universe to meet his creator. Name the planets the poet flies through. Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune are the planets the poet flies through. Okay students, இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது யூனிட் 1ல் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரி ரீடரு லாஸ்ட் இன் ஸ்பேஸ் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Where were the boys taken to? The boys were taken to outer space. Where did the space shuttle land? The space shuttle landed on a new planet. What did Nilavan see through the window? Nilavan saw an asteroid through the window. Who shuttered the windows? Aliens from the big ship shuttle shuttered the windows. How did the aliens know the boys' language? The aliens knew the boys' language through mind reading. Next நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் யூனிட் 2ல் மை நேட்டிவ் பிளேஸில் ட்ரிப் டு மை கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட்ஸ் டு வில்லேஜ் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சரை பார்க்க போகிறோம். How did Santosh record his diary? Santosh recorded his diary using mother phone. Name some of the activities that the village children were doing on the vacation day. Milking cows, breaking open groundnut pots and filling them are some of the activities that the village children were doing on the vacation day. Where did Santosh forget to watch television or play video games? Santosh's trip was so enjoyable to him, so he forgot to watch television or play video games. Did Santosh enjoy his morning walk? How do you know? Yes, Santosh enjoyed his morning walk. He enjoyed the cool breeze and the sound of birds. How did Santosh spend his time when he went to the river? Santosh could not swim, so he sat on a big smooth rock. He watched his friends swimming in water. He saw the bubbles in the riverbed and colorful fish that swim in water. How does Santosh know that the river is clean? The river was so clean as Santosh could see the bubbles in the riverbed and colorful fish swim by. Next students, unit 2ல memory poem Farmer's Friend. Often seen as filth, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth. Flood the soil before farmer. Use not the chemicals to harm her. Please prize our motherland's armor. side to show his looks. Toils often on fishing hooks to give the fisher something to cook. To humble like a worm, think no one to harm. You will be free to spread your charm. Next question answer. How do we see the earthworm often? We see the earthworm often as filth. What does it give to the farmer? It gives the farmer a reward of wealth. Why do not we use the chemicals? We do not use chemicals because it floods soil before farmer. How do we work? We work without thinking anyone harm. Okay students, thank you.